Hi, it's Hannah with WTI here with my shower curtain. This is by BigFoot. I am really happy with the shower curtain. This is the clear, which I like. It just looks fresh and clean, but they have other colors, white, frosted, and they have a waterproof fabric one as well. But some things I really like about this is I like the weight of it. It's heavy, but it's not so heavy that it's stiff. It's pretty malleable. The top is reinforced, so it will not rip. One of the things that really impressed me was the magnets. So I know a lot of shower curtains have these, but these ones I was really impressed with how strong they were. You can even hear how strong they are. Another thing I noticed was how clear the plastic was. When it is flat, you can barely tell it's there, which I really like. If you're looking for a new shower curtain liner, BigFoot has some really nice ones. I really like the clear one, and that's my point of view.